Hey everyone! So today I'm going to actually be doing a little bit of a different tutorial. I will be showing you how to use the Works brow kit with the stencil. So the stencil's honestly been my favorite because I am so lazy. I can't stand just sitting there and like precisely trying to make a straight line. This allows me to get my brows done every single time the way I want them to. Call me lazy, call me whatever, but this is what's been working for me. And I'm gonna become a mom soon, so I don't have time to be sitting there in front of the mirror. So I'm trying to find out faster ways to still look good. Which Tori Belle is amazing at because obviously they invented the magnetic liner system. So today I am actually going to be showing you also how to use the magnetic mascara. Last time I showed you how to use the eyeliner. This time I'm going to show you the magnetic mascara bundle. I'm going to be wearing two different styles. So one's the Winter Wonderlash and one's going to be the Mystic. So it might look kind of weird, but it's going to show you a good comparison on the two different styles. So stay tuned, keep watching, and let me know what you think. Okay. So I already filmed the brows, so that's going to be right after this tutorial. I just chopped them up a little bit because I know some people are here just for the magnetic mascara. So we're going to start off with that just in this video, but keep watching after this. I will show you how I did my brows with just a stencil, I think, which is really cool because some people just don't have time for that. So keep watching. Okay, so like I said, I will be using two different styles on each eye. So this is called the Winter Wonderlash. That one's my favorite, honestly. I think it's really natural, but also really, I don't know, it gives it a pop. Whereas the Mystic is actually a lot more natural. It probably just gives an illusion of, I don't know, that you're wearing really good mascara. So the reason I don't wear the Mystic or the 9 to 5 very often is because I have very like big eyes and I'm dark complexioned, so I feel like I need more just to like allow my eyes to pop. That might just be me, but personally I go for like the bigger the better. Everyone knows that about me. But anyways, well, let's get started. So after you purchase the magnetic mascara, you can either buy the bundle, which comes with the Mystic, which I'll be wearing on one eye, or you can buy separately this magnetic mascara, and it's awesome. It has one side actually has the mascara and it's magnetic, so it does attract to the lash styles, and then the other side has it's almost like the liner, but they don't like to call it the liner because it's meant to just go on your lash line, so not even on your skin. It just is meant to be placed right at the base of your lashes, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this is how I do it. So I am going to start off by curling my eyelashes, which I probably already did unintentionally. I just always do that right away, but we're gonna curl them, and then I am gonna start off with the mascara. So this is a little bit different. So you're not using this mascara to enhance your natural lashes. You're using this for the liner, and its ingredients are magnetic. So I just like to go as close to the lash line as possible. And I don't even like to go all the way to the tip of my lashes. There's really no point. I think that's like a waste of product. So I'm literally just going like as close to my lash line without poking my eye. And if I make a mess, I'm sorry. I'm sure I will. I haven't worn mascara in a while, so like actual mascara. So, okay, so we're gonna let that dry and I will move on to this eye and do the same thing. Just the base, you guys, not your whole lash line. Not your whole lashes, I mean. I just like to do the base. And like I said, this is super cool. Like, it's great for people that don't like to wear eyeliner. Because I know I have some clients and some friends who are like, oh, I would love to wear those. I'm just not an eyeliner person. And I'm just like, okay, well, that's fine. Like, we have product made for people like you. So, and like I said, I would do. I made a mess. So, I mean, I'll try my best, but it is what it is. Like, you make a mess and you're gonna try to clean it up, but okay. So like I said, you're gonna want to let this dry. I probably let it dry probably for a good 60 seconds. Okay, so it is drying, and I'm like, usually use this time to try to clean up around the areas. I mean, not everyone's like me and obsessed with that, but I am. So I am gonna go ahead and grab it again, the Magnetic Mascara. It's called Magnetude Mascara. But I'm gonna grab the other side. The side with like the little brush that holds the product in it. And I think it was a great idea to put this on one side and the other. That way you're not needing to buy them separately, I don't think, at least. So, and then I'm just gonna go literally like on my lashes. I don't even know how to explain it, but on top of just on top of my little eyelashes. Because I'm not trying to put it on my skin. It looks like I am, but I'm just literally putting it on like my eyelashes. So, and then I'll go onto this eye just as close as possible to your lashes, like your lash line. And don't forget to get the corners, because the corners are probably one of the most important things you don't want to miss, like when doing this. So okay, so there we go. I put this product just on my lash line, like not even on my skin. It looks like it, but it just looks super dark, and I like that. I like that it makes it pop. So then I'm just gonna grab my little Q-tip and try to erase the little mistakes, because we do make mistakes. We are human. And then we will let that dry again. Okie dokie, so it should be dry. And the way I like to tell people, you kind of, when you first put it on, it's usually like kind of shiny, and then it'll kind of turn into like a matte black. So, but usually like a good minute on both eyes does it. So, okay, so I will start with, I will start with the Winter Wonder Lash, which is literally my favorite. I think it's so cute. And I'm just gonna start by placing it on one corner and then putting it on the other corner. Guys, it's so easy. That is literally all it takes. Sorry. Literally, that is all it takes, is placing it on one side and then dragging it across to the other. So I think it's cool. I love it. It's super easy and fun. So that is a Winter Wonder Lash, and then we're gonna do the Mystic on this eye. And I do like to use tweezers, honestly, because I'm not that, like, I have big fingers, I feel like I do, so. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this end and just try to attach it to like your outer corner there. Perfect. And then you like want to make sure it's secure. Okay, so this is what the Winter Wonder Lash looks like on this eye with the Magnetic Mascara, and this is what the Mystic looks on this eye. A lot of people would go for this look if you just want kind of like it to look super natural, and I don't even know. It looks just like you're wearing really good mascara, to be honest. So, okay. If it ever focuses. Okay, so I did one eyebrow with the brow stencil with the Tori Belle. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other brow really quick. So okay, make it a little darker. I just need to get more product. Oops, maybe too much product, but it's okay. We'll work with it. Okay. So like last time, I'm just gonna try to feather it out a little because the gel can be like a little, if you get too much will go a long ways. Oh my goodness. Sorry it's not focusing. Okay. Perfect. So this is literally how I do my eyebrows. It takes no time. I love it. I mean, it comes in different shades. They have like ones for blondes and ones for people with light brown hair. So there's a color for everyone. Alright, so there we go. My eyebrows are done. That was so easy. That took like 2 minutes, literally. And I think they look good. I don't know about you, but I think they look good. And then if you do think they're a little bold, just keep on brushing. Because, I mean, really, I didn't even use that much product. And mine is lasting me so long. I got this in like August. And I still have so much left. I'll show you how much I actually have left. This is barely how much I've used out of this whole thing. So, I think it's worth it.